Come test drive the 2020 Soul. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find Bluetooth, push button start, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, overhead console. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.